Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to write a letter to principal asking leave for 3 days as you're suffering from fever. So let's get started. So this question is asked in many of the exams. So the question is 3 दिन की छुट्टी मांगते हुए प्रधानाध्यापक जी के नाम पर एक छुट्टी पत्र लिखिए. So we are asking principal to grant leave for 3 days as we are suffering from fever. So this is a leave letter. So while writing a letter, please don't forget to keep the commas and full stops wherever necessary, and do write the letter the same way as I'm drafting it. Like what comes on the right side and what comes on the left side and how the body part comes and end of the letter. Notice that on the top of the right side, we wrote place and date. Like Rajahmundry, comma, Dinag, date, full stop. And now from the bottom of that, coming to the left side, we are writing like to the principal, school name and address. In Hindi, we will write it as सेवा में, comma, श्रीमान प्रधानाध्यापक जी, comma, सरकारी पाठशाला, comma, राजमंड्री, full stop. Now from the down of that, we will write it as Manya Mahoday. Like in Hindi, we write it as respected sir or madam, like that. Comma, Sadar Pranam. Now comes to the body of the matter. We start the paragraph by leaving 3 finger space and then starting the matter. मेरा नाम प्रेमा कुमारी है. My name is Prema Kumari. मैं आपकी पाठशाला में 10वीं कक्षा पढ़ रही हूँ. I'm studying 10th class in your school. मुझे 2 दिन से बुखार है. I'm having fever from 2 days. मैं बहुत कमज़ोर हूँ. I'm very weak. डॉक्टर से दवा भी ले रही हूँ. I also took medicines from doctor. मैं पाठशाला नहीं आ सकती, so I can't come to school. मैं आपसे सविनय प्रार्थना करती हूँ कि like now you are requesting your principal to grant leave for 3 days. Mentioning from which state to which state you want leaves and all those. So this is the conclusion of the body of matter, and finally we will all read it once, completely combining all the sentences. So this is all the body of the matter. I am just reading it once. मेरा नाम प्रेम कुमारी है। मैं आपकी पाठशाला में 10वीं कक्षा पढ़ रही हूँ। मुझे 2 दिन से बुखार है। मैं बहुत कमज़ोर हूँ। डॉक्टर से दवा भी ले रही हूँ। मैं पाठशाला नहीं आ सकती। मैं आपसे सविनय प्रार्थना करती हूँ कि आप मुझे 3 दिन की छुट्टी दिनांक से दिनांक तक मंजूर कीजिए। So this is all the body of the matter, and now below the paragraph in the middle like center, we will write it as Dhanyavad. Like in English we write it as thanking you. So pull a stop. Now coming to the left side bottom of the page below Dhanyavad, here we write it as here we write it as आपकी विनम्र विद्यार्थी, और we can write it also आपकी विनम्र छात्रा, comma your name प्रेम कुमारी, comma 10वीं कक्षा. So what class you are studying, you can mention it there and then pull a stop. So this is a draft of leave letter, how we will write in exams or normal letter giving to principal, anything. So that's it all for today, guys. Hope you all love watching this video. For more videos and updates, please do subscribe and support our channel. And don't forget to like and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video all. Bye guys.